Hi. This video is the first of a series that is going to be dedicated to a build. A CNC, 3D printer, laser cut and engraving machine. We are going to focus on the electronic part of it for now. We want a user interface where we'll be able to set up the machine. The possibility to have the object to be printed on a USB drive, but also the option to get it via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. Then the information will be sent. And the 3 motors. One for each axis. The selected candidates are: for the user interface, a Raspberry Pi; for the conversion, an Arduino, plus a CNC shield with drivers, and then 3 stepper motors. On top of that we are going to need some power, and some wiring. That's what the shopping cart should look like. As we are doing only prototype now, I won't put the list of elements, but I'll do it with the final list. So let's order all that and wait for every pieces to arrive. To not miss the next video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and trigger the notification. Let me know what you think by commenting or ask questions if you have any. Bye.